Hello student, welcome to Learn More Maths. Today we are going to find the solution for a given pair of equations which are not linear, but we can reduce them to a pair of linear equations by making some suitable substitutions. Student, మనం ఈరోజు ఫోర్త్ చాప్టర్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇన్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్ ఎక్సైజ్ 4.3లో ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయడం నేర్చుకుందాము. సో ఆల్రెడీ 1 2 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేస్తామో ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఈరోజు ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాము. స్టూడెంట్, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ కూడా లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కావు, బట్ మనం కొన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ చేయడం ద్వారా వాటిని లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్గా రెడ్యూస్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. స్టూడెంట్, ఎవరైతే మీరు కొత్తగా నా వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారో ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని నా ఛానల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసినట్లయితే చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వీడియోస్ ఉన్నవి. నేను ప్రతి చాప్టర్లో ప్రతి ఎక్సైజ్ నుండి వీడియోస్ చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో మీరు చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వీడియోస్ కూడా చూసి ఈజీగా సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో కొత్త వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. స్టూడెంట్, మీరు అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్ కాకుండా మీరు ఎవరైతే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఫాలో అవ్వండి, ఈజీగా సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఈరోజు ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏ విధంగా సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దామో చూద్దాము. సో స్టూడెంట్, దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ద గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. So solution, how can we find solution? See student, write solution. The given equations are so 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. So let it is equation number 1, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy, let it is equation number 2. So student, here I want to divide entire equation 1 and 2 by xy on both sides. Dividing equation 1 by xy on both sides, dividing equations 1 and 2 by xy on both sides, we get, so first equation 1, student, what is there? 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy is there. So divide by xy on left hand side and on right hand side. So and equation 2, 2x plus 4y by xy on the left hand side and the right hand side 5x by xy. So see student, I am dividing equations 1 and 2 by xy on both sides. 6x plus 3y by xy is equal to 6xy by xy, and 2x plus 4y by xy is equal to 5x by xy. So now this xy gets cancelled, xy gets cancelled. See student, how can we write? Here divide by xy, 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6, and here 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. So see student, again xx cancel here, y cancel here, xx cancel here, y cancel here. So finally we get 6 by y here, 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6, and 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. So first I want to write x terms, student. It becomes 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 6. So let it is equation number 3, and here 4 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 5. Let it is equation number 4. So just I have written x terms first, next y terms. So student, now observe the first term. So here it is 3 by x, here it is 4 by x. So let 1 by x equal to m. So second terms, here it is 6 by y, here it is 2 by y. So 1 by y is equal to n. So student, let 1 by x is equal to m. Let 1 by x is equal to m, and 1 by y is equal to n. Then the equations 3 and 4, then the equations 3 and 4 become as follows. So see student, this is equation 3. So 1 by x is equal to m. So it becomes 3m. 1 by y is equal to n. It becomes 6n. So 3m plus 6n is equal to 6. 3m plus 6n is equal to 6. Let it is equation number 5. And fourth equation, it becomes 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n. So 4m plus 2n. 4m plus 2n is equal to 5. Let it is equation number 6. So see student, here the n coefficient is 6, here the n coefficient is 2. So I want to equalize the n coefficients. For that I want to multiply equation 6 by 3 on both sides. So multiplying equation 6 by 3 on both sides. So see student, what we get. So on the left hand side, 3 into 4m plus 2n is equal to right hand side 3 into 5. So just I want to multiply equation 6 by 3 on both sides. So 3 into 4m plus 2n is equal to 3 into 5. So 3 into 4m is 12m plus 3 into 2n is 6n is equal to 3 into 5 is 15. So now let it is equation number 7. So by subtracting equation 5 from equation 7, I want to subtract equation 5 from equation 7. So see student, subtracting equation 5 from equation 7. So first write equation 7 student, that is 12m plus 6n is equal to 15. This is equation 7. So what is equation 5? 3m plus 6n. 3m plus 6n is equal to 6. So subtraction, the signs changes here. Plus 3m becomes minus 3m, plus 6n becomes minus 6n, plus 6 becomes minus 6. So 12m minus 3m, so 9m. So plus 6n minus 6n gets cancelled. 15 minus 6 is 9. So 9m is equal to 9. Therefore m is equal to 9 by 9, which is 1. So we got m is equal to 1. So substitute m is equal to 1 in equation 5 or 6. So substituting m is equal to 1 in equation 5. So substituting m is equal to 1 in equation, substituting m is equal to 1 in equation 5. So this is equation 5 student. 3 into 1, 3m is there, that implies 3 into 1 plus 6n is equal to 6. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 6n is equal to 6. That implies 6n is equal to 6 minus 3, which is 3. That implies n is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So see student, just substituting m is equal to 1 in equation 5, this is equation 5, so 3m is there here, so substitute m equal to 1, that is 3 into 1 plus 6n equal to 6. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 6n equal to 6, take plus 3 to the right side, it becomes a 6n equal to 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, so take 6 to the right side, n equal to 3 by 6, so that is 1 by 2, 3 ones and 3 twos are 6, so you can get n equal to 1 by 2. So but we have 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n. So that implies 1 by x is equal to, m value is how much, student? 1, and 1 by y is equal to, n value is how much, student? 1 by 2. 1 by y is equal to, n is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So I want to write the reciprocals, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So reciprocal of 1 by x is x by 1, 1 by 1 is 1, so x is equal to 1. So it is y by 1 is y, 2 by 1 is 2. So x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution, student. We can check whether it is correct or not. So 6 into 1, right? X is equal to 1, 6 into 1 is 6, y is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So here also 6 into 1 into 2, that is 6 into 2 is 12 again. So both are equal. So here x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2, y is equal to 2. So 4 into 2 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10. So 5 into 1 into 2 is 5 into 2 also 10. So it is correct, student. So like this, so we can solve the equations which are not linear. సో స్టూడెంట్ వీడియో మొత్తం చూసిన తర్వాత 4-5 టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, సో ఈజీగా మీకు కూడా చేయడం వస్తుంది. సో దట్స్ ఆల్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్, స్టూడెంట్. ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ we will learn fifth problem, solution for the fifth problem from exercise 4.3, fourth chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. So that's all, student.